welcome back. Today is a Tuesday. Thought I would start a little weekly vlog for the entirety of this week. Hence why it's a weekly vlog. I'm back in the UK, which I think you already know, but I'm back in the UK, back in my family home with very frizzy hair. So don't mind that, I brushed it and I went to bed with wet hair, which I definitely should not have done. Every time I go to bed with wet hair, I know that it's just gonna be in chaos in the morning. I'm very excited for this week. I am working, I'm back working, and I got a job at a cafe, which I'm loving, but does mean that I don't get much time off. I did in fact get 2 days off this week. I thought I would start the day off. I've already had a coffee. I do this every morning. I've got a routine. I have a coffee when I first wake up, and then I have my matcha a little bit later on. And I'm really craving a new matcha that I want to try. I bought some blueberry. I also made blueberry syrup, so I now have 2 versions of blueberry syrup. Thought I would make a cool little drink with you guys to start the morning. I might just become like a coffee and matcha channel at this rate, because I feel like it's all I do with my time. I've gotten my tools and ingredients. This is the almond milk that is my favourite. I have tried many almond milks and none have quite lived up to this one, but I have discovered I love coconut milk. In matcha and in coffee, it's so good. At work, all I drink is coconut cappuccinos. It just goes really well, especially with like a little bit of chocolate on top. But I need to go find blueberry syrup. Ta-da! And then I did in fact buy this the other day for the purpose of an iced matcha. I feel like an iced matcha in a cute cup. I'm gonna start by putting... What a little angle we've got going. Yeah, they will do. It is quite scarily blue though. I don't know if you can see that. I think that's gonna kill me, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. And then whisk, whisk, whisk. I wasn't expecting it to be so blue. Like, this does look like it's gonna kill me. That's quite good on its own, to be fair. Now it's time to prepare the matcha. I bought this one when I was in Japan. It's at the very bottom there, if anyone is very interested. And it's really good. Like, it's one of my favourite matchas. I'm gonna do like 2 scoops. Every single person has been waiting for. Okay, that's somehow I bowled it, I think. I made it way too foamy. No. Look how foamy I made it. I may have made it like way too foamy, but it's a very like vibrant colour now. That is pretty good. I can't really taste anything now though. I think there's too many like flavours going on. I'm like, I don't know what to taste. And I did try and make it the other day with my own blueberry syrup, which was really good and really easy to make, but it made the colour go a little bit dodgy. That I was like, it's like strawberry matcha. When you buy a strawberry matcha, it makes it go like a really weird colour, and I'm like, blueberry matcha success. I don't really make ice matchas either, so this is fun. But like the colour is actually terrifying. Okay, so I've come to sit down and chat to you guys as I do my makeup and drink my matcha. I'm sitting near the fire because it's so cold at the moment in England that I'm not coping. I need to go back to Bali, Australia. I thought I would come and sit and chat to you about what our plans are for today, because I don't get many days off at the moment. I've been working pretty non-stop, and my favourite thing to do, as you probably know, is go to cafes, try coffee, matcha, food, other things that I would very happily spend all my time doing. So I thought today I would go try out a new cafe with Sam. It's on the other side of the island, and it's like this Swedish inspired cafe. It's about like 10ish now, I think. And then I think Sam really wants to go to the big Tesco, and I think he wants to go there to find an Easter egg or something. We're gonna just have a nice chill day. We have finally, after many hours, gone into the car. Good morning! Sam's got his
I'm hangry. You're hangry.
I'm really hungry.
So have a sausage roll.
I don't want a sausage roll. But we are off to
I'm always eating.
go get coffee. It's like a pretty long drive, but...
And get a Harry Potter Kinder Egg.
And a Harry Potter Kinder Egg. That is why we're going to the big Tesco's. And hopefully a meal deal. I'm kind of craving a meal deal. It was like pouring rain earlier, but now it's actually like blue skies. Okay guys, we've just gotten back in the car. We were hoping to go sit in and have a coffee at this place because it was really cute, but it was full. We got our little coffees. Look how cute. I got a coconut cappuccino and Sam got a regular cappuccino, and they're really good. But we're gonna drive down to the seafront and find somewhere to park and enjoy our little coffees. Find something to do because we've driven all this way to go to this coffee place, and we have gotten the coffee and it's really good, and I'm glad that we've gone. How's your coffee, Sam?
I think it's actually like the perfect heat. It's quite chocolatey.
I'm scared mine's gonna go cold though.
Why?
Because I need to drive somewhere. So many Easter eggs.
Oh my god. Exploded candy bar.
We are currently in Tesco's looking for Kinder Egg. We weren't quite anticipating this many eggs though. Like there's so many.
Sniff you. Ugh.
Good evening everybody. It is quite a bit later. We've eaten a lovely HelloFresh dinner, but I've showered and we're about to watch Love Island, but I will most likely fall asleep because I'm just tired. So good night. Woo. Good morning. Good afternoon everybody. It is the next day, but it's about like 4 o'clock. I've just finished work. I've been working since about 9:30 this morning. I'm in the Sainsbury's car park because I need to grab a couple bits for Sam's birthday. I've also parked in like probably the worst spot because like everyone is coming in and watching me chat to you guys. It is time for us to cook together. It's been a while since I've cooked on this channel. I think the last time I did it was probably Mount Isa. This is what we're cooking today. It is sweet and sticky Korean style chicken stir fry. Yummy! And it comes with all these items here. If you've never had a HelloFresh order before, it basically gives you these little cards with the meal and all the ingredients you need. And they'll send you pretty much everything that you need, which is really cool. So I'm gonna grab stuff out the fridge and start cooking. This is what we've been given. Plus we have the chicken. I don't know if this garlic is for this one. Yeah, and some garlic. And then inside you just have all the little items that you may need.
At least you say you do.
What else do I need? Do you guys like my little salt egg? It's the, if you don't know, get to know. So good. My favourite salt, especially on avocado toast. It's very good. I've got to do the chicken. I don't want to do the chicken. Yeah. Ew. Disgusting. Frying pan. I've also been absolutely obsessed with Olivia Dean at the moment, so I've been listening to her as well. Whilst I've been cooking away, and I'm having just a great time. Heated drizzle oil, the rice going, and the chicken cooking, and I'm about to add the peppers. It's time to add like the paste and stuff. I feel like I'm doing a good job. It smells really good. And then this one. Okay, I think I finished. The rice is way too sticky.
But I like sticky rice.
But we like sticky rice.
And what about sesame spice?
And we have sesame spice. Sam back.
Job interviews.
Job.
Pow! It doesn't open. He was like, when are you available? I was like, well, besides this.
Let me have single line.
Sesame seed.
And then somebody wants sesame seeds.
Black and white.
Black and white?
Yeah,
Like,
it's white.
calm the fuck down.
Oh! Oh, bastard!
Oh, wowzers. I try a little bit with you guys once you're plugged in because I can't do it otherwise. Taste test.
Not good.
I said check it was cooked.
So why did you spit it out?
Because it didn't taste cooked.
Great. Fuck's sake. What? What do you mean it don't taste good?
No, it doesn't taste cooked.
Raw one.
No.
The raucous one.
No.
So it's not cooked.
No, it is cooked.
Why are you lying?
Okay. We're gonna go enjoy this. I'll see you guys a bit later on. Review.
Anyone can cook.
Listening to Ratatouille music.
What does he say?
Anyone can.
No, the big.
Hot.
Good. Wow.
Hello, buddy. It is currently Friday. I didn't really film much yesterday because I was just working and not much really happened. I thought I would start the new day and do my makeup with you guys. Not all of it because I think I did my makeup at the beginning of this video and I don't think you guys need to see it so many times. But I think the plan for today is I'm not working, so I'm going to enjoy a day off. I've got an appointment a bit later on. I think we'll go for coffee. Need to walk the dog. I think that'd be nice. The weather, it was raining this morning, but now all of a sudden it's like blue skies. So I don't really know what's going on there. I need to finish a bit more of Sam's present, and his birthday's in 2 days. And I also have his cake to bake. I also thought whilst I was here, I would show you my 2 favorite new products. Like I've been struggling really badly, not really badly, but like pretty severely with like under the skin texture or bumps or all that sort of stuff. And I thought I would show you the 2 products that I got them for Christmas that they've just cleared up my skin so much and have helped it just calm down a little bit. I'm someone who's got very sensitive skin and doesn't really cope well with like lots of products or lots of chemicals, and I think like a lot of people's skin. When I found these and used these and realised they're working, I was like, oh, amazing. But they are also the bottles are so cute. The Neil's Yard face wash and daily moisturizer. These are the Palmer Rose ones. I love them. They smell so good. I'm gonna stop chatting away and start doing my makeup. You guys don't need to do anything else from me. I just need to get ready and then we can go and have a great day. Oh. Tea. Skedaddle. Hopefully it's not too hot. Okay guys, we're back. Bonnie and I are back from our coffee date with our +1 Sam. There's a meal deal on the table, so Sam is getting very excited. Good morning. It is Saturday morning and I'm about to go to work, but I thought I'd show you what I'm taking to work because I think it's quite funny. I got my matcha. My little packed lunch. Made myself, every day I make myself a wrap. Today it's like pepper and cottage cheese. I'm so excited. I feel like a girl's bag is always so scary. But I've had a pretty chilled morning of just getting ready, had my coffee. There's not really anything for breakfast at the moment, so I just had a couple spoonfuls of cottage cheese whilst I was making my wrap. It was really good, to be fair. I'm waiting for Sam and then I'm off to work till about 3:30. And then I think it's like the birthday celebrations begin. But I've almost finished Sam's cake. Presents are wrapped. My outfit for today is very boring. Like I've just decided to go comfort, baggy and casual because I can't be bothered. Sorted.
How dare you shit in the garden?
What time is it? It's fish and chip time.
I'm a bit drunk already.
Sam's had a rum and coke. I've been too busy preparing for his little bday tomorrow. We're gonna go get some fish and chips. I've not had fish and chips in like over a year. Bloody hell.
It's very bland, isn't it? I feel like I've rushed back into being a kid. Oh, no way. That is amazing.
You know where it's from?
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's cute.
You know, in this economy, that's quite a good gift.
Yeah, it's meant. Yes, it is. None at all. My roasted vegetables.
Good morning, everybody. My hair looks absolutely crazy. It is Sunday, the final day of this little weekly vlog, and it is Sam's birthday today. We've had a lovely little morning of hanging out, chilling, opening presents, and it's almost 11:30. But I'm just getting ready now. I feel like I always come and start like every morning getting ready, but I guess it is what I do each morning. And we're gonna go out for lunch, I think. We're gonna meet my parents at this really lovely cafe. Sam loved his cake, which is very nice. It's a little Shaun of the Dead cake, if you guys didn't know. If you know, you know. And hopefully people know, because it's a great film. The sun has come out for Sam's birthday, which is really nice. I'll catch you guys when we get out the door. So we went to the pub for lunch and it was so good. I had a veggie lasagna.
Show the camera that, Moms. They won't let you. They want to see that.
And then we're now having a very scenic drive home, which is so nice. I haven't had a pub lunch in ages, so that was very enjoyable. But it's like the sun is like slowly setting and we're heading home to go chill and end up in a food coma.
Yeah.